Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a really quick drugstore makeup haul. I wanted to grab a few things because I do want to incorporate a drugstore makeup tutorial on my channel. The first thing that I purchased was this EcoTools beauty blender. Just feeling it off the bat, it does feel a little more dense than my beauty blender, so I'm going to try it. I actually got this one specifically because I really like the shape of it. So I don't know, maybe it's going to be different because the beauty blender is a lot pointier, and so that works for me, but I don't know. Maybe I can do like a little extra contouring with this or something. I don't know. So that's the first thing that I used. I wanted to make sure that if I did a makeup tutorial that every single thing that I used was from the drugstore, so I got that. And then I also got the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. This is what it looks like. Because I'm always using the MAC Fix Plus spray, and so I wanted to try something else. Smells okay. MAC smells better, but I want to try this like from start to finish and just see how it sets my makeup and how it applies product once I use it. And then I also got this NYX Hd Finishing Powder, and this is the white one, or the translucent one, I guess, because I don't have a drugstore powder and I wanted to make sure I got one. And let me just open this up and see. Oh my god, this doesn't even open. Am I doing it wrong? Oh, it's still kind of in the package. Okay, so let me take this off. Okay, now it's off. I'm just gonna throw everything on the floor. Oh my god, it's like, this is like a chastity belt. Like, you can't even get in here. And I'm just gonna put some on my hand. I really love to feel powders and just see how silky they are, and it does feel really smooth. I always smell makeup. Is that weird? Is that like a weird thing? But so far so good. I also got some makeup remover wipes, or makeup remover wipes. I've been using the MAC ones that I have, so I was like, you know what, let me grab some Neutrogena ones. I have tried them before and they're actually really good. And I've also tried the Target brand ones, like the Up makeup remover wipes, and those are just as good, honestly. So, but I got the Neutrogena just to get them. I also got some lashes. These are drugstore lashes. These are the Ardell Demi Wispies. So I mean, I really need to venture out with my lashes a little bit more. Maybe I'll try some different brands. If you guys know any, let me know, because I feel like I'm really boring. Like, I don't really go all crazy and dramatic with my eyes and my lashes and stuff like that. Like, I've never really cared to, but maybe that's something I should try. I don't know. So, okay, first time ever buying a drugstore foundation, right? Yeah, oh my god, since I couldn't remember, I've used MAC. Oh my god. Okay, so I got the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth foundation. Is this full coverage? This is normal to dry, because that's me. I have dry skin. It has SPF 18 in it, which is cool. And I'm in the color 228 Soft Tan, which is a little bit darker than what I normally am, but I like that. I don't really like to look my color. I like to go a shade darker if possible. And it just says hydrates and smooth skin texture, natural luminous finish, which I like because I'm all about the glow. So I'm excited to try this. I hope it looks good on me. Alright, so another thing that I got with this Milani Most Love Mattes. This is the packaging that it comes in. Let's see. So it looks like this. It's gold. It's really pretty. Milani, is that how you say it? Milani. So the colors that it has, let's see. It has a compact mirror, which is really, really cool. I love that part of it. The color that stood out to me was this like color right here. It's burnt orange. So let's see. Okay. It looks really pretty. That looks pretty. And look at the pigmentation in that. And I like how smooth they are. They're not like chalky or anything like that. Okay, Milani, I see you. And then we have this one, which is more of the, it reminds me of Saddle from MAC. It's this one right here. Wow. Guys, look how pigmented these colors are. This is the darker color in the palette. And there's not a lot of fallout either, which is nice. Look at that. That's just 3 of them. And the other thing I got was this Lumi Glow Nude Highlighter Palette. And this is from Loreal. And then let me open it. Oh, it's already open. I might have done that. Okay, hold on. Here it is. So it has the 4 colors in the palette. You have 1. Oh my god, that completely came apart all over my table. I don't know how I feel about that. It's a little chalky. You see that? I don't know if I'll be using that. Maybe that's better for like someone a little more fair than I. And then we have this guy right here. Right there. You see that right there? It's kind of odd. It's kind of an odd. I don't really care for these. These am I just doing it too hard? I don't know. Let me do it a little softer. That one's okay. Can you even see that? You can't even see that. I don't know. Oh my god. Look what I just did. I just stuck my nail in there. Ay, Dios mío. Alright, well, whatever. It's not a big deal because I don't like this palette anyway. I'm going to use it in the tutorial, but I don't like how chalky the colors are. Like, they completely break. Like, look at my phone. They completely break up. All I did was swatch it, and the Milani shadows didn't do that. Okay, so another palette that I got was this one from NYX. This one is called Ultimate Edit. Obviously, it stood out to me because of all these colors. They're super cool. Okay, so this is what they look like on my arm. You guys see that? So it's really good. It's like almost the same. See, the green, blue, purple, fuchsia, peach, orange. It's more peachy. And then yellow. Beautiful. I really like them. I'm going to do a couple of looks with those. Let me see. So next here we have a blush. This blush is by Makeup Geek. They actually had this at Target, which was crazy. I didn't even know that Makeup Geek had a line at Target. So this one is in the color... Does it have a color? I don't know. Let me open it. Bliss. So it's a blush. And it seems like a really pretty peach color. It almost looks like gingerly, but not really. Okay, cool. Thanks, Makeup Geek. Alright, so for concealer, I got the True Match or L'Oreal True Match Corrector. It's this guy right here. And I am in the color W4-5 Light Medium. And I already swatched this and I was really impressed. It's it seems full coverage to me. I mean, I don't know. If anything, you can also add like those extra layers if you need them. But this is what it looks like. And it was super creamy, and I like how it doesn't get cakey. I love it. But I guess that's the perk with liquid concealers. They're all super creamy. Well, for the most part, right? So I can't wait to try that with the foundation and mix them together and kind of see what it's going to look like. For mascara, I just got the NYX Worth the Hype Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. Alright, let's see what kind of brush this has, because I'm all about the mascara brush and what you look like, and I'm gonna use this for my bottom and my top lashes. So let me see exactly what we're working with here. You see how I'm used to like MAC makeup where there's no packaging at all? It's like I have to work to get in there. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is the brush. Okay, I mean, it's a little thicker than what I use, but whatever, we'll use it. Cool. And I also got an eyebrow. This one is by Maybelline, and this is in the color Soft Brown. I wanted to try something a little lighter than what I usually use just to see what it looked like. But this is the Brow Precise by iStudio. And let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is the only one I found that mimics the Anastasia one that I have. I didn't really see any mechanical ones, so I kind of got this one, which just has a pencil point, Just have to sharpen it, and then it does have the little spoolie on the other side. So let's see what that ends up looking like. I don't know, but I'm excited to try it. Hopefully it's good, because I ain't got no brows. I really need a good eyebrow pencil. So then we're gonna go in with Palladio. Is that how you say it? Palladio? I don't know. But this is a liner, Obsessed Waterproof Gel Liner. Is it waterproof? I don't know. We'll test it out, guys. And it's just a black liner. So we'll try that. And I actually got this Palladio eyeliner. I got this at the store called Riley Rose. This is the only item I didn't get at Target because I didn't find any at Target. This one is from, yeah, Riley Rose. So Riley Rose is like a Sephora, but it's not a Sephora. They have Lime Crime, they have Sigma. I saw Sigma there. I'm like, oh my god, Sigma brushes are still around. I'm so whack. Okay, so another item that I picked up, this is a NYX Matte Lip Liner, and this is in the color London. And I got this as to kind of do a nude look. Okay, it's not very creamy. Maybe that's because it's matte, I don't know. But it is a color that I would wear. It's right here. Very pretty. So I'm gonna enjoy it. Guys, you couldn't tell me I had powder all over my face? God, so rude. Okay. I don't know. And I got this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine to go with it. And this is in the color Almond. And I'll put it right next to the lip liner so you guys can see. I feel like my Target didn't really have anything. Like, I was like, geez, I thought there would be much more stuff. Maybe I should have gone to Walmart. It's actually really sheer. It's right here. This is the lip liner and this is the gloss. So it's a really sheer gloss. But I could work with that. I'm down with that. It's nice and natural. Alright, and then I got this lipstick. Or no, this is a lip color. This is NYX Candy Slick Sweet Stash. And I'll swatch that right. Ran out of space. Ooh, pretty. Oh my god, it smells like candy. And that's what it looks like. And it is a gloss. It's not matte or anything. It has a nice glossy finish. Ooh. Cool. I know, I just couldn't wait, guys. No. Why is makeup so messy? Okay, so the next, actually this is the last item that I got. Okay, this is Pixi by Petra. This is the Endless Silky pen. And this came in the color MatteSienna. Beautiful. Okay, so this eyeliner was gorgeous. This is like the most randomest burnt orange eyeliner, but I had to have it. I'm gonna definitely incorporate it in one of these looks. Looks like this. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then so creamy, so smooth, beautiful. I'm like really digging this color right now. Look what it looks like. Should I put it on right now? Alright, I'm not. I'll wait. Thank you so much for watching. Once I upload this, the next video will be a drugstore makeup tutorial, and I don't know what I'm going to use yet, but I have a couple of ideas, so I can't wait to show you. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you can get notified when I do upload. Okay, thank you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.